Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to the Human Science. Today I'm going to show you how to uh, set up your small business network. If you have a private network using a public network address. And in this case the network address is 177.12.30.128. And the CIDR here is 26. If you've reached this point already, then I'm assuming that you already know what CIDRs are and basically how to read subnets and understand subnets. So I'm just going to get straight to it. If you don't know what those are, refer to my other tutorials on subnetting, and that'll catch you up to speed. So what I'm going to first do here is click on the router, hit enter, hit enable, Conf T to configure it. I'm going to type in access list. I'm going to name this access list 101. And because it's a 101, we know it's an extended access list. If it were 1 through 99, it would be standard. 100 through 199 is an extended access list. There are others too, but this is all we need to know for this tutorial. So, the difference between standard and extended access lists are that standard access lists only use source IP addresses, whereas extended use both source and destination, and they give you control of all the other protocols like UDP, TCP, so there's a lot more flexibility in an extended access list. What we're going to do is we're going to permit IP traffic from this very specific network. This is our business network, 12.30.128, and we have to include the wildcard mask. Those of you who don't know what a wildcard mask is, you should have been paying attention in 221, I believe it was. But if not, refer to my video on wildcard masks, and that'll show you how to configure this right here. Basically, if you don't want to go and look at it, I can just tell you and you can figure it out. All you're going to do for a wildcard mask to calculate it is simply subtract your subnet mask. In this case, since it's a 226, it would be a 255.255.255.192 subnet mask. If you don't know how to how that came about being, then you really missed a class somewhere. But that's basically that's your subnet mask. To get your wildcard mask, you would subtract that from 255, okay, and then subtract 15. So I know it seems crazy, but again, just watch the video, it makes more sense. So anyway, I hope I explained that right. So that's your wildcard mask, and what you're going to do is you're going to permit traffic to any destination. So to break this down, all this is access list. This is the name of your access list, the number of it. This is saying permit IP traffic, pretty much any kind of traffic from the source, and this is always your source. Your source is always the first address, and this any just means any network out there, any address out there. So source, destination. Hit enter, hit your up arrow, and that's going to let you go back in. It's just going to pull up what you just had in there. I'm going to go back using the arrow keys, change that list to 102, insert any here, and basically what I've done is I've created a separate access list named 102 that permits IP traffic from any source to 177, the private network here. How that would be used for you if you're an IT and you needed to access your a business that you were managing, then this would allow you to basically get in from anywhere that has internet access, if you know what you're doing. Okay, so I'm going to hit enter, And we're going to apply this to the serial interface 0/0/0. Okay. Very important here not to forget to put IP before you go and try to create an access group. Okay. A lot of people come in here and forget the IP and try to go access, hit tab, and then access expression pops up. That's not what you want. For this, you want to go IP, ACC, ACCE, hit your tab, that's access group. And what you're going to do is you're going to go 101, because that's your group up here. And you're going to apply that to the outbound traffic. From the point of the router, it's outbound, going outbound. Alright? Hit enter, hit your up arrow, change this to 102. That's going to take care of your inbound. So you got two directions here allowing you IP access. From the point of the view of the router, you're going out. Okay? You're here and you're going out. That's why that's directed towards out. From the 102 list, you're coming in according to the router. You know, from the point, if you're the router, just imagine that. So that's letting you have access from any other spot in inbound traffic. And what you're going to do is hit Control Z, bring you back out, copy, run, not copy, rub, copy, run, start, to save this into the NVRAM, and now you can end and see how you did. And as you can see, we scored 100% here, which means that we've done everything that we are supposed to do. Alright, so hope that was helpful. If it was, then subscribe and comment. If it sucked, let me know. Be nice. I will hunt you down. Later.